Jogo manie sekta ma limbe Mombasa kaachiel kod bad migao mochung' ne rito lee mag bunge KWS ochako chenro mar nego winy mag agak ma gikoni osebedo ka chendo kendo teko winy mamoko. Kane giloso e hembko mar Fort Jesus mantiere ma en achiel kuom kuonde ma ginege winy ma kamago e yor miyogi chiemo man koda sum, jakom duol mar jogo manie sekta mar limbe Mombasa Laktar Sami Kwae koni winy ma kamago osebedo ka yudho chiemb welo e magawa kendo ginego winy mamoko ma bende lombo jolimbe. Kata kamano gikoni dwaro manitiere machiwo ote ne jopiny e wi gimomiyo gikawo okang' mar nego winygo ma bende ikoni kidek kelo tuoche.
Hawajaelimishwa madhara kwa sababu any program the community has to buy the program. Unaona? Kwa sababu hawa kunguru wako everywhere. Naona changamoto kubwa ilikuwa hapo. Once the community is sensitized, why do we need to eradicate this bird? Even in the rural setup in Mombasa, people will make effort to eradicate them.
This is something that we're going to stay on, and hopefully by the year 2026 we should have managed to brought down the number of crows to manageable levels, so that then you can have a sane environment, and hopefully we'll be able to attract back the beautiful, good indigenous species of birds back to sing and hum in our beautiful county of Mombasa.
We developed a protocol on how the poison should be administered. So Kenya Wildlife Service has in its custody the poison, and we are the ones who are issuing out to Arocha Kenya, which is the organization that has been charged with that responsibility of doing the poisoning out in the field.
It's not a case of being able to eliminate them altogether immediately. It's going to be a long-term project. We recognize that there are crows in Tanzania and even to the north in Somalia. Even if we eliminate all our crows here, slowly they would come back.